Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on the channel. I am going to be cleaning one of the dirtiest cars that I know that is really annoying me. I have asked this person if I can actually clean the car for them because it was doing my head in. I'm not going to tell you who the car belongs to. So yeah, I'll show you around the car and I'm just going to get started in because it's going to take me all day and I have to go to work later on. And the S2000 is dusty again, even though I cleaned it the last day I was down. So it's been quite a little while since this car has been cleaned. I'm going to give it a good wash today. There's a few bits on it that are not very good, which might need buffed. So this is the car. It is obviously a Ford Fiesta. It doesn't actually look that bad on the camera, but it is really dirty. Like I said, it hasn't been washed in a while, so some of the stuff's going to be hard to get off. This car is used, and where it's parked, there seems to be a cat keep coming and putting its paws up and scraping it. It really doesn't look so bad on the camera, but it is really dirty, and like I said, it hasn't been washed in probably 3-4 months maybe. The inside is terrible, so we're going to get started on the outside and then we will move into the interior.
Bit of cluster, apparently. I don't know if he does any cluster.
So I've just washed and dried the car and it needs quite a lot of work done. It's going to need a polish and a wax, I think. Anyway, you can see how bad it is and all the watermarks, even though it's been dried. This car has probably never had any product on it. So that is the Fiesta all cleaned up with a little bit of tire shine on it. I haven't really time now to be doing the interior. It's came up a whole lot. I polished it and they end up with the turtle wax stuff, the polish and wax all in one. It's left a good shine on it, considering this car hasn't had a wash in about 3 months. The bumper was really bad and it's left it really shiny and glossy. Hoover the inside and then take it back up. So I've just used the Iron Extreme fallout remover on the Audi. As you can see, it's turning purple, so we'll see how well it works. The Audi is really dirty. It hasn't been washed since way before Christmas and I've been working every day up and down country roads. So I've just rinsed the fallout remover off the Audi and I'm going to use their Extreme Snow Foam as well, and then going to wash it with their Supreme shampoo.
It smells unbelievable.
It smells like jelly beans. It really does smell like jelly beans. Ryan really likes the fact that this lid is like a squirty lid, like a shampoo, you know? Like a shampoo lid rather than a poury lid.
You spill everything whenever you're pouring out of that.
So let's get this on the car, ride on and see if it's really soapy. You guys know I like really slutty, soapy, snow foamy stuff. So we'll see if it's snow foamy enough for me. I'll put the link down below for these guys if you want to check them out. Okay guys, so it really is snow foamy. Yeah, okay. It really is snow foamy. You guys know I love snow foam and I like it being really foamy. I'd say it's probably the snowiest snow foam I've used. Really sunny. Look at it. Smell it. Okay guys, I'm sold. I do like it. Okay, I'm convinced it's like actual hair shampoo. Like look. It's really foamy. Wow. Thumbs up for the extreme snow foam. It really is extreme. Can't believe how snow foamy it is. Mad. I think I will definitely buy myself some of this. Let's see how it washes. It's going to go out with the detailing brush. It doesn't run off. It stays really thick until you rinse it off. Okay, so the Blitz Detailing one is £15 and the Auto Finesse one, which we would always use, is £13. So I do think it is foamier than the Auto Finesse. Personally, I would buy it because I like them being really, really foamy. Ryan, he just loves Auto Finesse, as we all know. He's sponsored by them. But I do like how foamy it is. So that's up to you guys if you think you would spend the extra £2. Took the dirt off, like. Okay, as you guys seen, it took a lot of dirt off. My car was really, really dirty. Usually with a snow foam it might take a bit off, but it really did take a lot off that door anyway. Yep. I'm sold. I actually do really like it. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but I would buy that. I would really. I like that's good. Really good. Really impressed with that. That's what it looks like just after being rinsed off. It needs washed with the shampoo now, but if your car wasn't that dirty, you could probably get away with not doing that. So we're trying the jelly bean shampoo. Hopefully it's as steady as the snow foam. I can't believe how good that is. I really wasn't expecting it to be that good. Soapy enough. I have to keep going in here to talk because the guy next door is doing some bodywork on a car apparently, and it's really loud, so I have to try and get in here out of the way. I can't video myself right now because I'm in my work uniform. I'm going back to work in a minute after I get my car washed, which is why you'll not see me just at the minute washing the car. I have to keep cutting when I'm out doing stuff because I'll probably get in trouble if they see me in my uniform doing it. So the car's all washed now, and I'm just going to rinse it off and then we'll dry it and see how clean it is. So as you guys can see, it has left my car looking really, really shiny, and I do really like the snow foam. I also like the iron out, and I do like the shampoo that they have sent me, but the snow foam is definitely my favourite snow foam that I have ever used. I will definitely be buying it again. All the products I use will be in the description below if you guys want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.